Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making granola. You know, the stuff you put on your milk or on your yogurt as a breakfast. But don't expect it to taste like you buy it in the store. This is way better. So let's start. Here we have all the ingredients we need for our granola. In a large bowl, add all Fashioned Oats. Don't use the quick cooking ones. Chopped up walnuts, slivered almonds, chopped up pumpkin seeds, and here I have all kinds of dried fruits. It has apricots, dates, cranberries and peach in it. Add the maple syrup, some cinnamon, and last but not least, the molasses. I used apple molasses, but you can use whatever you like. Mix everything together. It is best to do this by hand. Put the mixture in a baking tray and spread it out evenly. Bake in a 170 degrees oven for around 30 minutes or until golden. Make sure you mix it in between so everything will become nice and crispy. Let it cool and you're done! And that's it! I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what you want to see next. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I see you in the next one.